Welcome back to Richard Makes Stuff, the channel where not knowing how to do something is no excuse for not having a crack. This is just a quick update to let you know that I am not dead. The channel will continue. It has been a few months since my last update. I'm just going to quickly bring you up to date. First thing you're going to notice is that all behind me, it's all changed. I have a new workspace. And the reason I have a new workspace is because, well, we got evicted from our old place. The people that own the house decided they were going to bulldoze and build a new set of townhouses on there. Units, call them what you will. Either way, we had to move. In the middle of a pandemic, that's kind of tricky. So it took us a few months to pack the place up, find somewhere to live and move. And that has been consuming us for the last probably 6 to 8 months. So now we're settled in this place. We're not going to be here forever because we're looking at buying a place in the next couple of years. Hopefully that'll come good. So we now have this place. It is much smaller than the other place. I've got my trusty workbench that I built. It's made it in here and it takes up most of the space. So over the next few weeks, I'm going to start producing some videos. I've got some footage from the old house. I'm going to get those videos sorted out. Didn't help that the my computer, having sat turned off for quite a while, power supply blew. Took me a while to get that sorted. It's now sorted. I'll get those other videos out in the next few weeks and we'll get back to making some things here. I'm going to be making a lot of shelving, just forewarned, because the place we're in at the moment, it does not have much in the way of storage. It's a lot smaller than the old place. That's been half the problem, working out where the heck we put everything. As you can see, those boxes over there with the terrible lighting behind them, that's from the old room that I used as my office. I've now got a caravan, small caravan, gutted it. We're going to do some work in there to build some shelves in there, and I want to show you what we're going to do in there as well. But just a quick update, let you know we're still here, not going anywhere. Just going to take me a bit to get back into the rhythm of producing, filming. So stay strong, guys, and I will see you very soon. Goodbye.